Well, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. I just did a video on replacing a battery, and the one we put in is not fully up to snuff, so it needs to be charged. It's been sitting around a while. And I'm just going to show you a way you can test real quick. You get one of these little multimeter testers. They're pretty handy. This happens to be one over here at my dad's house. I have a little bit big ones, got a little more options, but this is all you really need. These things are only a few dollars. I get it set to 50. You want to be above, because that's the next one higher than what you're testing. We want to be testing, 12 volts. So you don't want it on the 10 there. And then you're going to hook the negative on the negative, hook the positive. You're going to see the needle go up here when I hook this up. Hopefully. Negative must not be hooked good. There we go. And I move these wires out of the way so you can see. And really, you want this thing up around 14, at least 13 something for it to start a vehicle. Because everything I touch is just getting in my way here. If you look real closely there, hopefully you can see, this is, as I'm looking at the red numbers there, this is only right around 9 volts. It is not strong enough to turn the engine over. So hopefully you can see that. So we're going to go ahead and put this on charge and get this thing charged up so it will start this truck. But yeah, get yourself one of these little meters. You can use them for a lot of different things, but they're great for determining power in a car battery, and saves you wondering what the problem is. You can even use it to test like the alternator and things like that. Maybe I'll do that in a future video. All right, this is just a quick video testing a battery and finding out why it won't start the truck. In this case, just not enough juice in it to do the job. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back off for more videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.